Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe and comment if you have a question or an addition regarding the video. Now stay tuned, watch till the end to earn more tips. Let's begin. Ingredients: flour, eggs, salt, yeast, milk, sugar, cinnamon. As the title suggests, today's video is how to make donuts. In a bowl, add flour, cinnamon, yeast, sugar, salt, eggs, and lukewarm milk. Mix the ingredients together to form a soft, non-sticky, and stretchy dough. Add in some cooking oil and knead for a few seconds. Take the bowl, apply some oil, and lay in the dough and cover it to rest for an hour to rise or double. Take the risen dough and knead it for a second. Spread the dough on a surface and cut preferable sizes. After cutting the dug-e-nido slices, cover them again for 20 minutes to rise. In a pan, some oil on a medium heat. Slowly dip in the donut slices once the oil is ready. Cook them till golden brown. Awesome! Soft and fluffy. For decoration, you can dip one of the sides in some melted butter. Or deep sprinkle some granulated sugar for more sweetness. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you next time. Bye.